Okay.
For another 100 Mondays.
Well, it's time for another 100 Mondays. I stole that line from Francis because I love him. Tonight is show 41. Literally, I just got off work and I had to wipe the workday off me. I love that we're able to offer something different in the way of format. Now that we are streamlining it, I'm very excited to see where we can go with it. So to everybody who has been rocking with Art Mama Moves for the past 3 years, then thank you. Oh look, it's an airplane. I can make a bunch of obvious puns, but I will not. Enjoy our show tonight. Thank you, Sandy, for putting everything together. Thank you, Akko and Amir, for doing such a good job with the computer stuff. Basically, I thank everybody. I don't want to be like that pastor who never shuts up on Sunday. He's just talking for no reason. If we want to share your art or your music, then just email us at artmamamoves@gmail.com. And we also have a new channel, by the way. We have the 100 Mondaze Weekly Show channel on YouTube, and you can find us there. And thanks, Sandy, for hooking that up for us. So if you want to see shows from last week and up through now, then you can see them on this channel. Okay, bye.